Hey there, this window cleaning tool comes with multiple heads for it and extends up to 8 feet to make those window cleaning and other out-of-reach tasks just a little easier. It was sent over to me from the brand, so let's take a closer look. So here's a head of the window cleaner, and as you can see, everything is plastic. It has this locking mechanism here to take the tops on and off, so I like that design. It makes it really easy to get everything on and off. If we look under here, there's also one of these teethed areas on each side. So if I was using my own cleaning cloth, that should attach right in there nicely. Here you can see that the squeegee is attached, but this button here will release the squeegee, and then it can be used on its own. And if you're using on the windows, you would simply take off this head here, and then that would allow this to get to whatever it is you're trying to dry. This comes with two different style heads. You're gonna get two of these. It's got this short woven design to it. There are nice deep pockets on either side, and they seem to be very well stitched. So I'm thinking these will probably hold up nicely as they're being used. You're also gonna get this head, which is gonna be good for things like dusting because of those nice big pieces of fabric here. Again, same type pockets on the back of the product. Finally, of course, you're gonna have the attached squeegee, which is here. And it does feel like it's rubber or silicone and does have some really good flex to it. So I'm hoping that it does a nice job at getting most of that water off whatever window is being cleaned. Each handle just gets screwed in to the next, and then you are good to go. So I just finished using that head cover to the cleaner as well as the squeegee. These are my thoughts on it. One thing I always worry about when something gets long on a pole and you're working above your head, I always worry about the amount of leverage I'm gonna get to actually get something like the window cleaned. While I did not use any cleaner in this usage, I really soaked that cleaning head with a lot of water so I could put a ton of water on the window. It actually had plenty of leverage, and I really felt that the pressure stayed flat on the window due to that swiveled head of the cleaner. When I switched over to the squeegee did a really good job. In fact, I could hear the continual squeaks while I was using the squeegee on the window. I did find that the closer I got to the window and could move in a downward motion, I got the best pressure on the window itself when trying to dry all that water off of it. At an angle, I just didn't get the same results. Overall, I think this is a really good product for inside the home, even if the squeegee is only used on things like mirrors and shower doors. I also think that extra fuzzy head would be great at helping dusting off things like baseboards and in corners. If you are looking for a new multi-purpose cleaning tool to reach those unreachable places, then I hope this video helps you decide if this is a good product for you.